Thank you and welcome everyone. Objective of this video is to share OnPrintShop and how it has helped our clients grow print sales during COVID-19. During pandemic, we've been interacting with our clients and prospects across the globe, and they shared that businesses are impacted, sales is down, and many printers are in survival mode. Many large printers serving corporate B2B clients also seen dramatic decrease in order volume. So they wanted to enter a new market like B2C retail, offer new print segment, but current W2P platform doesn't support. There are many web to print solutions available in the market, but the challenge is that most of them are either supporting limited customers or product specific. So to add new sales channel like B2C or new print segment like direct mail, wide format, photo book, photo products, they have to invest in multiple web to print platforms and also need IT developers to set up, and they are very expensive. Recently, Coursera published a survey report of nearly 400 PSPs where 79% believe that COVID-19 presents an opportunity to drive new products and services. And cloud-based digital solutions will increase due to social distancing and people working from home. So COVID-19 has changed not only way print is ordered, but also what is ordered. So now SME print service providers are facing challenge is to develop IT backbone and online ordering to serve their existing customers. At the same time, having a flexibility to offer new sales channel and new print product segment depending on the changing market. So to help PSPs grow, OnPrintShop offers most complete and affordable wide range of web to print solution to expand into multi-print product segment and sales channel. For SME print service providers, the biggest challenge is launching online storefront, especially with lack of staff due to new regulations. So we are offering personalized support and launch setup services at a highly affordable rates to quickly launch and help print service providers to go online. Solution is available as SaaS and enterprise custom solutions, offering them complete flexibility to expand. So today we have SME print shops, photo labs, wide format printers, brokers and marketing agencies, trade printers, and few of large commercial printers who rank in top 100 print companies as our customers. Solution has ready tools like responsive storefronts, multi-designer studios, print order and workflow management, and hundreds of third-party integration for end-to-end automation, like payment and shipping gateways, MIS, accounting, CRM, workflow. And we have helped many of our customers launch a special site within a week time, offering COVID-19 products, online templates, which has helped them to grow online sales. Like one of our customer, Firesprint, achieved historically highest sale in COVID-19 in spite of lockdown. They launched specialized COVID-19 products like social distancing stickers, hero signs, graduation signs, and we helped them create online designer studio templates. So they achieved highest sale and was also appreciated by clients. And recently INC 1000 recognized them as the fastest growing trade printer in USA. Another customer is a Standard Modern, is a large commercial printers having state-of-art print facility. Their key customers are B2B, but during pandemic, their order volume was impacted. So to increase revenue, they launched 3 new retail sites with new products and services in just few weeks. Like one of the site exclusively offering canvas and wall art product where they have used OnPrintShop V7.3 new canvas solution. Another site offering only COVID-19 product like mask and signage. And third retail site they have launched offering the unique political printing products. So let me take you through OnPrintShop and how it has helped our clients grow sales. Firesprint implemented OnPrintShop in 2016, and before that they tried multiple e-commerce and web to print platforms, but they were not able to achieve complex wide format print and shipping estimation. So now they have a highly professional online storefront with OnPrintShop offering hundreds of wide format and signage products, and they are managing 100% orders online. Here you can see in COVID-19, they launched specialized products like social distancing, signs, stickers, graduated signs. And for many of the products, we provided them a setup services, especially to design online templates. So any clients who did not have the design ready, they could easily pick up the ready template and they can personalize using this HTML5 Designer Studio with their custom logo and text. It also supports custom size wide format products. So in COVID-19, they achieved a huge success that customers were able to order online without any dependency. Also further, the complete solution is upgraded with latest Bootstrap 4. So now it would offer the high-end experience to end clients on the PSP's website while ordering. And many of the print service providers and their staff are working from home. So they would also have a great experience working from home by accessing the store admin panel from the smart devices. Also, we have launched smart shipping calculation, where printers are able to set up multiple packages for each of their product. Also for custom sized products, depending on the product type and how it is packed, like a vinyl is roll packed or a cardboard is like sheet or rigid, it is packed stacking on each other. So depending on the type of the custom size wide format products, they're able to define the box. So depending on the quantity and weight, solution will smartly select the best package and end client will get the lowest shipping rates directly from the shipping API like FedEx, UPS, Standard and Freight. Along with their new features like converting custom code directly into an order from the backend will save a lot of their time converting their custom jobs into an order. And new third-party integrations like WhatsApp Business will offer them a good flexibility to provide support over WhatsApp, and Stamped IO will help them publish online reviews easily on their online storefront. The second customer is a standard model, who is a specialized commercial printer serving large corporate and B2B customers. They work as a print on demand and fulfillment partner for many large organizations across United States. From years, they were using other web to print system, but facing a lot of challenges because every corporate demanded unique ordering processes. Also, they were not able to integrate their internal MIS. So they started with OnPrintShop Enterprise version, where they have a complete flexibility, offering unique ordering processes and private stores for their B2B customers. Now all their B2B customers are having a personalized experience. Also, they have connected with their MIS. So all the fulfillment item stock is coming directly from an MIS, and every order generated in OnPrintShop is automatically pushed into MIS with job ticket print ready file, saving them a lot of time in manual labor. And during pandemic, they also saw some decrease in order volume from the B2B customer. So they decided to launch a retail presence, and they were really surprised because with OnPrintShop, they were able to launch within a few weeks 3 retail sites. So first of all, they launched high-definition-wall-art.com, where they're offering variety of canvas, wall art, and posters. And they've implemented OnPrintShop new canvas module, offering personalized canvas and arts. They launched a second site dedicated for COVID-19 products, where they introduced many new products like face covers, protective products, back to business bags, which they earlier never used to do. Even they're offering personalized online masks where customers are able to select a template and design it online. Also recently, they have launched the third site offering the political printing products, where they're offering specialized print products like postcards, posters, signs, political campaigns. They were really surprised to see the results because using single solution today, they are able to manage all their key corporate accounts, as well as they were able to launch 3 new retail sites offering exclusive print products that they were not offering before. So they appreciated our solution as well as our support and services because they were able to launch into new sales channel and increase their revenue even in pandemic and difficult time. Now let me quickly show you the 3 new solutions we have launched. The first one is a canvas. Here client can design single, multi-image and split canvas. It is also connected, integrated with social media and cloud API, so they can upload their images from Facebook, Instagram, and Google Image. For split canvas and for multiple image canvas, we also allow them to select the layout. So printer can design specific layouts, so end customer can select and they can upload multiple pictures on the layout. In the canvas module, they get a super easy experience. So while changing all the options, automatically they see those effects are getting changed on the left-hand side. And they're also having a lot of options of selecting the frame, layouts, and after they are finished with the canvas, there is also a specialized image simulator, which will help them to see the live canvas preview and how it would look in their home. So they can see the variety of preview like living room, bedroom, dining room, and how it would look at their house. Also, Canvas solution generates a high resolution print-ready PDF for printers with all the effects customer have selected, the edges they have selected, even with the cut marks. So printer do not have to rework on the file, and without any human intervention or graphical rework, they can send it to the production. The second solution is a photo print to simplify ordering the photo print online for your end customers. They can upload multiple pictures, and we have created a specialized photo print builder screen where from single screen they can select different size, print options and quantity for each picture. They can also see the image quality, whether it is high or medium, so you can set up DPI in the backend. Also, they can edit image where they can change the image, the orientation, rotate, apply border, flip. So they have all the flexibility to use those options for the images. Also, end client can apply all to apply same size and specs in all images to save time, so they don't have to do one by one. Also, they can add another size to copy their favorite image in other size, so end client don't have to re-upload the same image again, and they can order in other size. Also in the backend, printer gets a ready print file PDF where it is combining the multiple pictures of the same size and options, making easy for the printers to send it to the production. The third new solution we have launched is a custom art and logo maker, a unique tool printer can offer to his end clients to easily create personalized art and logos without any design skill. So many clients who do not have their logo or art ready, they can create it while ordering online. It is a part of the designer studio. So printer can offer in wide range of products they are selling, like commercial, wide format, promotional or apparel product. And in 3 simple steps, their end customers can create custom logo and art. The first is selecting the color. Then they can put their company name or a tagline, and custom art and logo maker would present them hundreds of options and combinations, and they can pick up the one they like. Also, they can edit all the elements of logo, like changing the color, fonts, and the size. And once they are ready, they can order this item for the print. OnPrintShop has multiple designer studios, and in these we have launched specialized mobile themes. The multi-designer studios like advanced HTML studios supporting commercial, wide format, even custom size, promotional, invitation, gift, labels, and sticker kind of product. It is highly configurable per product, so PSP can enable, disable functionalities and change the experience as per the product strategy. It also supports a surface type preview. Another studio we have is a photo book designer studio to simplify an online ordering for the photo book. It has a specialized feature like multi-page, image autofill, layouts, backgrounds, effects, also a flip book preview so customer can see the ready book online. Also, we have a photo book and diary studio to offer personalized calendars and diaries where customers are able to design custom calendars where they can also select the custom start month and end month, and they can design the 12-page calendar. When calendar is ready, they can also see the preview. Now let me show you the new mobile themes for all the designer studio. Now on the screen you can see the advanced designer studio mobile theme. Now all the buttons and functionality of the designer studio are optimized for the mobile. Over 230 million US consumers own a smartphones, and 79% smartphone users have made a purchase online using their mobile devices. Like this is a mobile theme for the photo book designer studio. So even multi-page photo book can easily design now from the mobile devices in OnPrintShop. Even for the photo calendar, we have launched a mobile specialized theme. So the 12 pages calendar one can easily design from their smartphone or smart devices. As per our commitment, in spite of COVID-19 pandemic, by working extra hours on weekends, adapting to a new work environment from home, and we received so many feedback from our client across the globe, appreciating our solution and support during this tough time. We received this feedback during COVID-19 from our client, the UPS Store Canada. So this was a quick overview of how it helps clients grow sales. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you need more information on specific solution or features, please contact us at www.onprintshop.com and schedule a personalized demo.